In this video, I'm going to be answering the question if you can use a cash on delivery code on AliExpress. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, let's go ahead and open up AliExpress. What I'm going to do is put a product into my basket. So I'm going to just choose this face mask. I'm going to click add to cart. So basically, I want to get to the checkout section to see if we can use cash on delivery. So I'm going to click continue here. Now I'm going to check it out. All right, so I'm inside my cart. And now if we look down below under services, it says safe payment. So we can use Visa, ID check, safe key. So these are all safe payments. So I'm going to click on all here and click checkout. Now from here, let's go and have a look at all the different payment methods. So I'm going to click on view more to see the whole list of them. All right, so we've got PayPal, Afterpay, Google Pay, PayPal in full, add a new card or credit card. So depending what region you are, I'm in Australia, so there's no option for cash on delivery. But if you're in a different region of me, it might be available. So just check, go through to the checkout process and have a look at the payment methods. If you see cash on delivery, you can use it. But if you're in a region like me in Australia, we cannot use cash on delivery.